So I probably should have started this one from the beginning, but I didn't. Popped the slave cylinder in my YJ, little 4-banger. It'd be cute. Anyway, popped the slave cylinder, not gonna split it unless I put a clutch in it, so I went ahead and went with the centerforce 1. And yeah, surfaced the flywheel, new clutch, new throwout bearing, and the tranny, yummy milky stuff. Tranny was full of water, and transfer case was full of gear oil. Come on, folks, it's a 231. Run ATF. Good grief. I mean, it already has issues with oiling. Why would you go with a thicker fluid that, yeah, no, anyway. ATF. But, ew. Anyway, let's bolt this in and stab a tranny. I said stab a tranny. Y'all are sick and twisted. You know what I meant. Stab that into that, you sickos. And just in case anybody was ever wondering, that is the gayest design ever. Stupid engineering. But anyway, new slave cylinder. Let's yeah, hook it up. It's also a good idea to lube the tip a little bit before you stab it in. So that has never happened. Oh my goodness. I jacked it up, leveled it out, and went thunk, and she dropped right in. Oh my goodness. Ha! First try. Frickin' yay. The crank sensor was pretty fuzzy when I pulled it out. Now that it's clean, flywheel's clean, it might actually run a bit better. So yeah, let's see how she does. New poly tranny mount because I blew mine up. Well, sheared the bolts off when it came apart. So yeah, that ought to be a little bit more gooder. So hopefully, while the exhaust was rattling around in the shop for what, a week, waiting for parts, the other monkeys in the shop didn't damage my O2 sensors. Yeah, I hope not. But I guess we'll see. Alright, exhaust hooked up. Exhaust mount. Exhaust mounts. Alright, we're ready for a skid plate. Alright, topping the fluids. We're going to go ahead and jack up this end here. Get rid of my temporary support method. And we're going to slap a skid plate in. Woohoo! And for those that are wondering, yes, I am going to do away with that. Do a slip yoke eliminator with a CV shaft. This is not the best design either, but yeah, anyway, carrying on. Here's the one main benefit to this happening. You get to clean all the little areas and get rid of all the grody bits that have been stewing for, you know, years. Yeah, anyway. All right, so she's all back together, driving her around. I had to do a little bit of redneck engineering on the clutch line. Apparently this one's a little bit different. It looks like they put a Ford quick coupler style in it. I don't know. I rednectified it. Rednectification at its finest. Anyway, she drives better than she has in a long time. She actually runs cleaner than she has in a long time. The fuzzy crank sensor must have been causing issues. So, at any rate, she's running really good, and I'm happy. So, done.